Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to do aggregate related to national income. But in the last video I have told you about difference between market price and factor cost. And last video I have told you about what is GDP, NDP, and GNP and NNP. But in this video we are going to do the more advanced level. Means what is GDP at market price, NDP at market price, GDP at factor cost, and fourth is that NDP at factor cost. This is the concept of domestic product, and second concept is about national product. So GNP at market price, NNP at market price, GNP at factor cost, and fourth is that NNP at factor cost. You already know the difference between market price and factor cost. So in this video I am not going to tell you about differences between market price and factor cost. So when you will calculate the national income, the question will come like this: find out GDP at market price. So what you will do? See, market price means price of a good that is already in the market, means it includes the tax plus subsidies. I have already told you that in the case of factor cost, what it does not include the taxes, because it is in the process of production, means factor. So it can include subsidies, but it will not include the taxes, factor cost. So when you have to find the GDP at market price, what you will do? You will add NDP at market price plus depreciation. So when you will add NDP at market price and depreciation, it will give you GDP at market price. In case of NDP at market price, it is exclusive of depreciation. Means when you have to find out the NDP at market price, just what you will do? Just you will do and minus depreciation from the GDP at market price. So it will give you NDP at market price. Now in the case of GDP at factor cost, what you will include? In the factor cost, it will include depreciation, but it will not include indirect tax. Means I have told you that factor cost means it is in the process of production. But in the case of market price, the price of a good in the market, so it will not include tax. So GDP at factor cost will include compensation of employees. Means factor cost include compensation of employees, rent plus interest plus profit plus depreciation. If you add this fourth thing plus depreciation, it will give you GDP at factor cost. And in the case of NDP at factor cost, it will include only factor costs, compensation of employees, rent plus interest plus profit. So it will give you NDP at factor cost. Means, see, this is a concept of gross and this is a concept of net. Gross means total production, total phase of production, so it will include depreciation. But in the concept of net, it will not include the depreciation thing. Now this four concept is about domestic product. Now we will do national product. See, what you mean by GNP at market price? GNP at market price means gross national product at market price. So what we will, when you have to find the GNP at market price, what we will do? You will add GDP at market price plus income from abroad. In the case of gross national product, here it is a gross domestic product. Means gross means you will add depreciation, but it is a domestic product. Here it is a gross national, GN. So it is a gross national. Means if you talk about the national, whole national, then it will include the income from abroad. In the case of NNP, it will include NDP at market price plus income from abroad. In the GNP factor cost also, what you will do? You will add GDP at factor cost plus income from abroad. And now one question will arise in your mind that in the case of GNP at factor cost, does it will include depreciation? Yes, because when you have to find out GNP at factor cost, it will include GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost include depreciation, so depreciation will automatically add in this. Means it will add in the GNP at factor cost. In the case of NNP at factor cost, what we will add? NDP at factor cost plus income from abroad. This thing will look like very easy to learn or understand, but when we will calculate the national income, this thing become very complex and hard to understand. So do it very carefully. And one more thing I am going to tell you that NDP at factor cost and NNP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost also called domestic income, and NNP at factor cost also known as, or it is national income. Yeah, when you will find the national income, it will automatically give you an NNP at factor cost. To understand, see, this is like example. If there is GDP at market price and a question will come that find out NNP at factor cost, you will just minus depreciation. See, if you will minus depreciation from the GDP at market price, what you will get? If you will minus GDP depreciation from the GDP at market price, it will give you NDP at market price. So NDP at market price. And if you will minus from NDP at market price, you will minus indirect tax. It will give you NDP at factor cost. Don't do one thing, that don't minus indirect tax plus subsidies, because I already told that in factor cost it includes subsidies, but it does not include the taxes. Taxes include only the market price. When the product goes into the market, then the government add taxes into the product, as well as it also give the subsidies also in the market price. But in factor cost, there is inclusive of subsidies. If you will minus indirect taxes from the NDP at market price, it will give you NDP at factor cost. And what you will do now, you will add income from abroad. It will give you NNP at factor cost. See, this is very means again I am saying that this concept look very easy, but when you will calculate the national income, you will find out very hard to understand this, because this is very more complex thing to understand. So please, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.